What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about this crypto here called EOS, which has pumped up in value quite a bit in the last 24 hours. As you can see, 4% up, making it $1.07. So again, nothing major, just a quick update on the crypto, looking at, is it time to buy? Is it too late? Should you sell it if you are on a profit, or is it just time to hold on to it? Looking at its predictions and overall covering both buyers and a seller's point of view, and looking at where it's heading to next, especially going into 2023 in a few months time. Is it worth holding on to the crypto or even investing into it? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be on the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the Coinbase website, and as you can see, the market is up just about 0.21% in the last 24 hours. Nothing major. And EOS has managed to gain nearly 4% in the last hour itself. It managed to pump up over a percentage. Over the last day, 3.74%. Over the week, 9%, nearly 10% up. It's been very volatile, but overall it has been moving towards the positive direction. And over the month, it is unfortunately down 15%, guys, which is not looking too great. Over the short term, over the daily, hourly and weekly chart, it's all positive, but as soon as we move on to the monthly chart, as you can see, it's been overall slowly and steadily dropping in value for the past 4 weeks quite consistently. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by 30% in the last 24 hours, making it $167 million in trading, which is still a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on EOS. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading the crypto. As you can see, 90% buy against 10% sell. So we do have a huge amount of money being invested into the crypto, a lot of investors buying it and minority of them selling the crypto. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here, we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of EOS. At the moment, as you can see, it is at $1.09, and EOS is trading at $1.08, very close to the SMA indicator, meaning it's performing well, and just like it's meant to. It's not overperforming or underperforming, but it's very close to the SMA indicator. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer as usual. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, what can we see here? The blue line and the orange line are both looking bullish, going in a positive direction, meaning gains in value are expected over the coming hours. But it's not going to be a major increase in value or anything like that. It is going to be very minimal. And again, as I've mentioned plenty of times in my previous videos, guys, whenever you see a crypto doing a percentage increase, just like here, it's not major, but it has increased quite a bit. So red candles are part of the process. Do expect dips in between. I'm expecting it to drop down to about $1.02 to $1.03 over the next couple of hours, and then pump back up in value. Green and red candlesticks are part of the process, but the overall outcome at the moment seems to be more on the positive side. So do expect an overall minimal increase in value over the coming hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, we should expect it to be more or less fluctuating between $1.08 to $1.10 is what my predictions are so far. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? We've still got the blue line and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction, meaning again an overall increase in value is what is expected over the coming days. So by mid next week, so over the next 7 to 8 days, we should expect an overall minimal increase in value once again on EOS. And again, guys, just because I'm saying it's going to increase in value, it doesn't mean it's going to be a major pump or a major increase or anything like that. It is going to be a minimal increase in value, potentially heading to about $1.13 to $1.14 is what I'm expecting over the coming 7-8 days. However, this does not also mean that it's going to be hitting green candles consistently for the next 7 days. Of course not. We are going to have days when it's down and it's red, days when it's green and it's up, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side. So yeah, minimal increases are again expected over the coming week. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Now, we're still looking bullish, still looking positive, but we are not looking as steep as the previous chart, and I wasn't expecting that anyway. But this is exactly what we want to see, a slow and steady increase in value over the coming weeks. So late November to early December, we should expect an overall minimal increase in value on EOS, hopefully heading to around $1.20 to $1.25 is what my predictions are by early December. However, it could be much higher or much lower than that, depending on how the crypto market performs, and especially with any major drops or major bull runs and price pumps. These things are not expected, but of course guys, if I am expecting or I am predicting anything like that, I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on EOS, guys. So far so good. We are heading in the right direction, unless obviously there is an unexpected turn, which I will let you guys know about. But yeah, so far so good. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. However, as you guys can clearly see, we are trading in the red zone, and we are in the lowest part of the red zone, guys, currently trading at $1.09. And for us to hit the green zone, we're going to have to hit at least $4.11, which we are not even close to. We're going to have to go approximately 350 to 400% increase for us to hit that target, which I'm not expecting from EOS anytime soon. For more or less, guys, for the rest of the year 2022, it's very likely we are going to be trading in the red zone, but that doesn't matter. What matters is as long as we slowly and steadily start to move in an upwards direction, we should be good to go. But yeah, these are my takes, guys. I've seen a lot of positive as well as a lot of negative comments around this crypto. So what I want you guys to do is comment down below what your expectations are. What is the highest figure this crypto can hit in 2022? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto, and especially, you know, what your expectations and your predictions are. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. Just a quick one on EOS. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to leave it a like, and also a massive thank you and a massive shout out to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And guys, it is very, very close, just over 2 months left. Please guys, hit that subscribe button, as it helps me out a lot. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.